A US Navy carrier aircraft was landing. Suddenly, the pilot noticed the landing gear hadn't fully deployed. However, the pilot believed he could land safely anyway. The next second, the plane shot off the deck. Although the pilot was pulled back onto the carrier in time, another crash was about to happen. When the flight leader was preparing to take off from the carrier, he suddenly realized the carrier's speed was too slow. It wasn't nearly fast enough for a normal takeoff. Fortunately, he quickly took evasive action. Even though the aircraft dropped altitude right after leaving the carrier, the leader handled it skillfully. He used the descent to pick up speed and retracted the landing gear early, which would have likely hit the water. Once he had enough speed, he immediately pulled up. After this smooth maneuver, the aircraft flew just above the water for a bit before finally climbing into the air. The second aircraft had no idea about the danger and just took off. The leader quickly radioed the carrier to cancel the launch, but it was obviously too late. Sure enough, after leaving the carrier deck, the aircraft gave the pilot no time to react. It nose-dived straight down. What made it worse was the carrier was steaming right toward him. The flight leader immediately told the carrier to turn hard, but it was too late. The next second, the aircraft that had been floating on the water was hit by the carrier. The impact killed the US pilot instantly.